Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's easy to reinstall Windows 11, as easy it is as it is Windows 10. Once again, this is to show you the steps where they are in Windows 11 for resetting your PC. Resetting your PC is like a reinstall of Windows, and it works well in general. It is extremely simple. And, for those that are scared of reinstalling Windows, over the years, we've got to say one thing. Microsoft made it really easy. And there's no need for any tech expert. There's no need to bring your PC into a shop to reinstall Windows anymore. You don't need that. People are in that mindset still. Because, in the past, reinstalling Windows XP, even Windows 7 was, tedious, complicated. It was always, you need to find those specific drivers for specific things, and it was really a complex situation. And this is long gone. Windows 10, Windows 11 pretty much reinstalls on machines with no real need for searching for anything. Most of the drivers, most of anything needed is there on most machines. And basically, you know what, if you're into a PC that just has a lot of problems and you know what to do, well, resetting your PC is something you can try. And you know what? You might not even need to go to a tech guy or to a computer shop, and we'll have a freshly new working PC without, much effort, basically. It's a very automated process today, that install of Windows. And the questions are asked at the setup are extremely simple to follow, and the yes or no questions are rather simple also to most people, even if you're not tech savvy. I have a lot of people that I know that have reinstalled their Windows thanks to the Reset This PC, and it worked fine. And they're really not very techy, and I'm even surprised on a couple, and that just tells you how easy it is. So you can simply reinstall Windows by right-clicking the Start button, going into the Settings. Here you'll go into the Windows Update. In Windows Update, in the Advanced Options, when you go, you will have an option that's called Recovery. And the Recovery, Reset This PC, is available. You simply click the Reset PC at the end. Here, two options: keep your files or remove everything. If you want to keep your personal files, now, word of caution, you should always back up your personal files to some other source, at least one or two other sources, to make sure that you don't lose them. Although this operation is, in general, rather safe, you know that computer's a computer. Something can go wrong. So you should have a backup, and that's even if you don't reinstall, everybody should have a backup of their important files. So that option, the first option, will keep your files in the documents and pictures and videos and all of those folders that in your music, and it should be there when you actually have the reinstall done. It'll take a little longer because it moves the files to a separate location before it will actually put them back into their folders. The other one is remove everything. This is a completely start from scratch Windows. It's like buying a new computer and going home with it. Basic Windows install that will work. And this option should be considered if you think you have viruses or if really you have a lot of problems. Just in case that, within your personal file folders, there could be something lurking there. So that should be the option to remove everything at that point. Now, once that is done, it will, of course, go through the process, automatically download the latest Windows 11 update to install on your PC. And once it's installed, it's going to go through what we call the out-of-box experience, a series of questions that are going to be asked. Very simple in general. It's going to ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi. Click your Wi-Fi, enter your password. Then it's going to ask you to log into your Microsoft account. Just enter the email, password, and then It's going to ask you a few questions like, options to use, the different options, to use the location of your PC, turn it on or off. It's going to explain what it does or not, and so on. Very simple questions, and not a lot of them, too. Don't be scared at what's going to happen next. In general, it's rather easy and simple. And then there's going to be the last process of install, and you'll be into your lock screen, ready to start using your PC again. Of course, it removes apps and settings, which means all settings are set back to the standard default settings of Windows. And you might need to, download some apps that you need, like Google Chrome, for example, might be one if you're using Chrome to download to go to the web, for example. A few things like that. That will be the tedious part, just reinstalling your favorite software. But apart from that, it's a very easy thing to do. And like I said, I think everybody can do it today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.